The market offering for refrigeration systems with lower global warming potential is growing day by day, and I am uncertain about which direction to go. New refrigerants are being introduced frequently, and the legal framework is becoming more complex. Besides needing a future-proof system, which complies with all current and future regulations and directives, I also need a solution which helps me decrease my energy costs while operating at a sound level that does not disturb my neighborhood, and also enables me to significantly decrease my carbon footprint. That runs so quietly you will barely notice it is there. That is simple to install and easily accessible for quick service. That is equipped with state-of-the-art electronic controls and protection to ensure a high level of reliability and efficiency, prevent food spoilage, and a significant reduction in your energy bills. Why imagine if Emerson can make all of this become a reality? With the EazyCool CO2 refrigeration unit, Emerson combines their best components for CO2 applications to achieve these benefits. The EazyCool CO2 refrigeration unit uses the natural refrigerant carbon dioxide, which has a global warming potential of just 1. This is up to 4,000 times lower than comparable systems, which allows me to drastically reduce my carbon footprint. Furthermore, it is not restricted by the F-gas regulation. This makes the EazyCool CO2 refrigeration unit a future-proof solution that eliminates the need to constantly look for intermediate low GWP alternatives. The refrigeration unit is comprised of high-quality components produced by Emerson. These are assembled and tested using an advanced industrial process. At the heart of the unit is the Stream compressor. Stream is known in the market for its superior efficiency, reliability, and low vibration operation. The state-of-the-art system controller is designed to work in perfect harmony with all the components of the refrigeration units. It provides the exact cooling demanded by the application and enables precise control of the refrigerant flow. The display panel provides a quick overview of the system status. I can then adjust the system settings according to my application. The system controller features Modbus communication capability. It supports cloud monitoring, which allows for real-time system control to help me prevent food spoilage. It is also prepared for heat recovery to further decrease system operation costs. Various electronic protection features found in the EazyCool CO2 refrigeration unit increase its reliability, such as oil level, high and low voltage, phase imbalance, and discharge temperature. All these protection features are automatically managed by the controller, so I don't have to. With its pre-configured system parameters, you save precious time during installation and commissioning. The unit is also designed for easy access to servicing parts. By opening the top cover, the technician can conveniently access all the essential parts of the unit while standing. The EazyCool CO2 refrigeration unit is constructed for quiet operation, providing the performance you need without the distracting noise, and its compact design allows installations even in places where space is limited, such as in urban environments. Here's a recap of the 6 good reasons for installing the EazyCool CO2 refrigeration unit. Future-proof solution. Reliable and quiet operation, easy installation and service, reduces CO2 footprint, and space-saving installation. For more information on the EazyCool refrigeration unit, contact your Emerson sales office or visit emersonclimate.eu.